tell you something. Tucked away in Los Gatos, this home is a masterpiece. Sleek, modern, designed to impress. It's next level. Let's check it out.
Hey guys, Shar Ayaria here, your Bay Area realtor. Today we're touring this stunning brand new farmhouse style home in Los Gatos. Right away, you'll notice the clean, modern landscaping in the front yard. It's simple, it's fresh, and it gives the home such great curb appeal. And the paver driveway, it adds that polished high-end touch. Let's take a look inside. As soon as you walk in, you're greeted by this bright and open foyer. And right here on the right, we have a spacious office space with tons of windows. So much natural light floods in, making this a perfect work from home setup. Throughout the house, we have gorgeous hardwood plank floors that add warmth, harmony, and elegance to the house. And over here, we have the formal dining room, complete with recessed LED lighting and a beautiful light fixture. It's just such a great space for hosting dinner parties and family gatherings. Moving toward the back of the home, we step into the family room. This space is amazing. It's open, airy, and has these incredible stackable glass wall doors that lead to the backyard. So whether you're entertaining or just enjoying a quiet morning coffee, you get that seamless indoor-outdoor living vibe. Now, let's talk about this kitchen. I mean, wow, it's a gourmet dream. You've got custom cabinetry with tons of storage, huge windows bringing in more natural light, and direct access to the backyard. This backyard gives you a blank canvas. You can really make it your own, whether you want to add a pool or an outdoor kitchen, fire pit, or even a lush garden. It's just got so much potential to create your own dream outdoor space. All right, going back to this beautiful kitchen, the quartz waterfall countertop on the island is just beautiful, and these gorgeous light fixtures, the apron sink, and the backsplash tie everything together really nicely. And of course, top of the line Thermador and Bosch stainless steel appliances, including a built-in refrigerator. Plus, there is a butler's pantry for extra storage and prep space. The kitchen also connects directly to the formal dining room, which is such a great flow for setting up the dinner table with easy access to the kitchen and the pantry. I mean, talk about convenience. It doesn't get any better than this. You can see the stunning staircase view here as well. The railing design adds such a beautiful modern touch and really complements the open feel of the home. Now let's take a look at the other side of the house. On the first floor, we also have a half bathroom for guests, a coat closet, and a really cute mudroom area with extra storage. And then we have the attached ADU. This ADU is bright, it's spacious, and it's got its own full bathroom with colder sink and toilet and a frameless glass shower enclosure that gives it a modern look, and it's very well designed. Look at this space. Very well lit with all these recessed LED lights and all the natural lights coming through. You've also got a kitchenette with a sink, stove, and a fridge, all with a sleek modern design and custom cabinetry. Plus, you've got your own private entrance. And the best part, the closet. This ADU has a huge walk-in closet with racks, shelves, and tons of storage space, which is perfect for organizing everything. This home also comes with an attached 2-car garage, pre-wired for a future EV charger. And on top of that, it also has owned solar and dual AC, so you're set for energy efficiency. For schools, you're in an amazing district with Farnham Charter, Price Charter, and Leigh High School. Plus, you're just minutes away from Downtown Los Gatos, Downtown Campbell, Willow Glen, and so much more. And you have easy access to freeways 85 and 17, so really getting anywhere is super convenient from this location. All right, that wraps up the first floor, but the tour isn't over yet. Keep watching the video as we head upstairs to check out all the bedrooms, the gorgeous loft, the game room, and the laundry room. Everything looks absolutely stunning. And toward the end of the video, you'll get a better look at the backyard, and you do not want to miss that. If you love this home and want to see it in person, reach out to me and my team. We'd love to give you a private tour. I also have access to similar brand new construction homes in the neighborhood that are currently off market, but I'd be happy to give you an exclusive first look of those properties as well. Our contact information is in the description box below. Just reach out to me and my team, and we'll be happy to set up a showing for you. Also, please like this video if you did, and if you'd like to see more home tours like this in the Bay Area. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you're the first to see my uploads. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in my next one. And remember, the best is yet to come.
You